Okay, here we are walking down Macau. We're gonna be walking straight down this street and tell you all about the context of it and everything else later. If you're curious where we're at, we're at the Cotai Community Center, right in front of it. So stay tuned and we'll be going directly that way. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, just to give you a little context, this is behind us. We got all these things that go all the way down to Pont 16, like the old harbor. So you can see some things like this, like the Portuguese sailboat. I think the anchor was the one behind me. Got a star coming up. So we're just gonna walk straight ahead, and this goes to Senado Square, San Malo, and we have some like lots of little plazas along the way. So we're probably gonna highlight some of those, including this one right here. Here's a little plaza, and these little plazas will have Caldeira, have little benches. And I got one of my favorite trees in this little alley right there because it grows right on the right up along the building right there, and you can see the green part. I have filmed in there quite closely. Could film there again, but I kind of want to stick to my main road today. That right there is a new hotel. It's like a cheap lower end hotel. I forget the cost, but it's quite low, especially now during COVID. More of our sailboat stuff because we're kind of near the harbor. This is the old harbor, so now oh, this is kind of old scale right there. You don't see that very often. There's a pharmacy in there. So yeah, you got these references to sailing and shipping, but it's now it's done in two other locations now. One of them being Taipa, the newest place, and then the other place being near Fisherman's Wharf and like a reclaimed land area of Macau. It's kind of a tourist shop, not many tourists today. The side street. I could just explore side streets, but we want to keep our focus on this main road today, at least at the moment. I think I might try to cross over right here. Get some, it's at a, okay, let's angle it this way. Traffic will stop for us. We got somebody honking their horn over that way. Warehouse. I think this is an old pawn shop. I filmed it around here before. Maybe you can let me know, but I think it's an old pawn shop. And I guess that kind of makes sense because before, you know, we had the ships would come in that one location, and maybe there was some people that were trying to buy and sell things. It kind of makes me want to go to this other area, not too far from here, which is quite famous. This whole area is kind of interesting because of the history. See, it's over there. It's kind of interesting. Sometimes I like to put my camera over there and just kind of see what's going on, but I can't see it actively. I can see it later on with everybody else. Little alley. Another alley over there. It's a lot to see in Macau. Yeah, this is more of a historical area in this area. Kind of wouldn't mind going back over to the other side because I think I'm going to go see this one particular street and do a different video for it. So we're going to walk back over this way. And that's our street right there. That's the street there. Yeah, kind of a cool street actually. keep on going. We're gonna have like a little bit of a plaza in this area. Yeah, that's the street. Down there is a very famous street right there, so we'll probably do a different video for that one. Before we do, we'll just kind of give you a little context of everything. So yeah, this goes all the way up to Senado Square, and then you can keep going. You go all the way up to Galaxy. Sorry, that's Gran Lisboa Casino. You got some nice architecture like that right there too. And of course like that as well. Okay, Avenida de Almeida Ribeiro is the name of this street. We're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.